So as we're putting everything back together, I thought I would inspect the air filter. Might as well, right? Because it's an easy one to do. So you only have a few screws to remove. They're regular Phillips. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's very easy to do again, right? And since we now have, a clean intake manifold, might as well want to make sure that the filter is clean. And clearly this thing has been replaced recently. It's in really good condition. So I'm going to keep it for a little while longer. I have a spare one. What you want to do when you do that is ensure you give it a good shake. There's a grill inside that comes out. Make sure you remove all the particles and all the crop that could have accumulated. There is actually quite a bit that I took out here, and that way you can ensure that your complete air system is clean. So I know the purists will probably be like, "Oh, you cracked open your airbox and you touched the filters, now it's contaminated." Blah blah blah. Well, yes, that's on probably a $100,000 car. I would care. On this car, yeah, not so much. But technically, these people are right, and you shouldn't open the airbox. But in this particular case, again, that's not a big deal. You can use a drill or cordless. Put it back. The low torque setting because you are screwing into plastic. And yeah, that's a very easy intervention to do. That's something you should do once in a while. Inspect your airbox and make sure that the filter is in good condition, because again, this is the air that your engine is breathing. So think about how you're breathing air through your lungs. Well, it's the same idea here, right? So you want to make sure that the lungs are clean. The lungs are kind of the intake manifold, if you will, and that your mouth and your nose is not full of things and like particles and whatever. So give it a good clean, and yeah, we're gonna put it back in the engine.